I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. Two key elements of a good antiviral strategy involve building the immune system and not freaking out, and a good exercise program can help on both accounts. Moving the body generates electrical charges important for healing and repair, and supporting the immune system, whose cells, like all cells, depend on bioelectricity. Exercise also improves oxygenation of tissues, and even better, supports pulmonary health and strengthens lung muscles, which are obviously going to be helpful for protection against a respiratory virus. And the exhale is important too. That's where toxins are eliminated from the body, and in addition to acids and other metabolic wastes, that includes yeast, bacteria, and viruses. And if you're experiencing anxiety over a seemingly chaotic state of affairs, vigorous exercise can reestablish a sense of control and can help upregulate serotonin and endorphins and other brain chemicals associated with peace of mind and a positive mood. All you need to do to turn on neurotransmitters of well-being is a 5-minute workout. Try running a flight of stairs or taking a brisk walk, making sure you're moving your arms as well as your legs. Or get yourself a rebounder or mini trampoline. Don't worry, they're not going to be running out of those anytime soon. And jump up and down for a few minutes every day. In addition to protecting yourself from the dreaded coronavirus, you'll be healthier, calmer, stronger, and you'll probably lose a few pounds along the way. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.